Ever wondered how birds are secretly dinosaurs? Let's rewind time way back to when Earth shook with giant footsteps, from tiny Triassic hunters to the mighty T Rex. This is the wild, true tale of how dinosaurs ruled and what survived. Dinosaurs first appeared around 245 to 250 million years ago, during the Triassic period, rising from the ashes of Earth's greatest mass extinction. These early creatures likely evolved in what is now South America, on the supercontinent Pangaea. The first dinosaurs, such as Eoraptor and Herrerasaurus, were small, agile bipedal reptiles, swift and adaptive, with traits that gave them an edge over other animals of their time. They belonged to a larger group called Erchosaurus, which also included ancestors of crocodiles and pterosaurs. Over time, dinosaurs evolved into two major branches: Saurischians, lizard-hipped, which included giants like T. rex, and Ornithischians, which gave rise to species like Triceratops and Stegosaurus. Their upright posture, strong legs, and diverse diets allowed them to thrive and spread across the globe. By the end of Triassic, dinosaurs had become the dominant life forms on land, setting the stage for a reign that would last over 180 million years. The Jurassic period, which began around 201 million years ago, marked a dramatic shift in the Earth's ecosystem and the rise of truly giant dinosaurs. With a warm, humid climate and no polar ice, the world was covered in vast, lush forests of ferns, cycads, and conifers, creating the perfect environment for large herbivores to thrive. This era saw the dominance of sauropods like the massive long-necked Brachiosaurus, which could tower over trees to feed on high vegetation. Alongside them, dinosaurs like Stegosaurus, with its iconic plated back, and spiked tail, Thagomizer, roamed in herds. Predators such as Allosaurus hunted these giants, ruling the food chain. During the Jurassic, the supercontinent, Pangaea, began to split, forming new coastlines and ecosystems, which helped drive dinosaur diversification. This period truly earned its title, the rise of the giants. The Cretaceous period, beginning around 145 million years ago, was a time of incredible diversity and evolutionary innovation for dinosaurs. The world's landscapes were a mix of dense forests, open plains, and flowering plants that began to spread, transforming ecosystems. This period saw the rise of iconic species like the towering Tyrannosaurus rex, a fierce apex predator known for its massive size and powerful jaws. Alongside it, herbivores like the heavily armed Triceratops roamed equipped with impressive horns and shields for defense. Meanwhile, smaller, agile dinosaurs such as feathered raptors developed advanced hunting strategies and complex behaviors, with feathers beginning to play roles beyond flight, like insulation and display. The Cretaceous was truly a golden age of dinosaur diversity, setting the stage for their dramatic end. Around 66 million years ago, Earth faced one of its most catastrophic events, a massive asteroid impact that forever changed life on the planet. This fiery space rock, estimated to be over 10 kilometers wide, struck near what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, unleashing unimaginable destruction. The impact triggered towering tsunamis, intense wildfires, and a thick cloud of dust and shoot that blocked sunlight for months, plunging the world into darkness and cold. Dinosaurs of all kinds, giants like T-Rex, armored triceratops, and swift-feathered raptors were caught in this sudden chaos. The resulting environment collapsed, wiped out about 75% of the species, including almost all non-avian dinosaurs, marking the end of their 180 million year reign. This event, known as the Cretaceous Paleogene extinction, paved the way for mammals and eventually humans to rise. Any living being that was bigger than a cat in size was perished. Most dinosaurs went extinct, but a small group of feathered birds like dinosaurs survived. These early avian dinosaurs were small, agile, and possibly capable of powered flight or gliding. Their ability to adapt to changing environments, including their varied diets and mobility, gave them an edge in a devastated world. Over millions of years, these survivors evolved rapidly, filling ecological niches left vacant by the extinct reptiles. They lost many dinosaur traits like teeth and long tails, developing beaks, lighter skeletons, and specialized feathers for flight. By 50 million years ago, modern bird lineages had begun to form, diversifying into the ancestors of ducks, hawks, parrots, and songbirds. These birds adapted to forests, oceans, and grasslands as Earth's continents and climates changed. Today, with over 10,000 known species, birds are the only living descendants of the dinosaurs, winged, warm-blooded, and widely diverse creatures that carry the legacy of their ancient ancestors in every feather and flight. Today, dinosaurs live on in a form we see every day: birds. After surviving the mass extinction event, small feathered dinosaurs evolved over millions of years into an incredible variety of birds we know now. As we look to the future, the story of dinosaurs is far from over. Through millions of years, they have adapted, survived, and transformed, becoming the birds that brighten our skies today. But evolution never stops. The natural world continues to change, and who knows what new forms of life may arise. Maybe future creatures will carry the ancient legacy of dinosaurs in ways we can only imagine. So, the next time you see a bird take flight or hear its song, remember, it's not just a simple bird. It's a living connection to a prehistoric past and a symbol of life's endless journey forward. The legacy lives on, and evolution never ends.